Hey everybody, it's Jim McClyman with Sunny Signage by Mr. Foamer. I'm super excited to be here today at Sunshine State Car Wash in Sunrise, Florida. Today we're going to introduce you to some folks you've already seen before, possibly Ali and Ramon, the owners here. And we're going to kind of walk you through what we did here and what they chose to do for a complete refresh and rebrand of their site. But really what the focus of this was to increase their customer satisfaction, grow their ticket average, and make sure that their customers knew that as they were raising their prices and putting on these ceramic package and doing this other stuff, that they were giving back to them and really wow them with a great package and a really fun experience. So the other thing we're going to talk about is a brand new product, Infinity LED by G&G. Let me take you over to introduce you to Ramon and Ali. All right, Ali, Ramon, great to be here with you.
Thank you.
So we're kind of excited. I know you guys have, old hats here to the Sunnies, and what was some of the reasons that you felt it was time to, kind of refreshing everything?
We opened 5 years ago, so when we talked with my brother to start making some change, to make the customer motivated and happy when they visit us, we started with the idea to rebranding everything, because before we had like the classic logo with a happy car face, and then we came, okay, if we want to have like the last technology on the tunnel with the mood lights, new wraps, whatever, I think our logo should be something that get more related with this change. So we came with the robot.
Yeah, it was fun doing the project. I know you had your part of your design team and our design team working together, but I thought it was neat. We get a lot of customers that talk about ceramic, and we added, I think, the Cerabond product in here, which is a single step. But it was neat to see you guys create like a custom brand, like your own product line instead of just being a chemical.
But yeah, if you see everything here right now is green and purple, because the Cerabond is like a green product, so let's do everything related with the color green and purple.
And I noticed when you're coming in, you've got a lot of different signs featuring, the same theme, same branding, and have that ability to kind of move them around, do different pieces with it. I really like that. I thought that was kind of neat.
Yeah, that's something that Mr. Foamer and Sonny helped us a lot to rebrand everything. Perfect. So all the signs, all the arch, everything right now make more sense.
Yeah, it was really a fun experience coming through the other day. It's been a real treat for us to work with you guys and take this to the next level. And I saw you guys did the Infinity lighting, which is a new product with G&G and the Sunnies family. And I know it's relatively new, and I know you're kind of still working on some things, but what's your thoughts so far?
I think it's amazing. Like, we was talking about that point last week, and we noticed how our ticket average and an amount of people are coming back, and basically some of them, they're asking for, just give me a wash that have all the lights on. And that's happened. And yes, we saw an increase in the ticket average, and a number of customers are coming weaker. And actually, one of the parts that we really love is how the people talk to us, reach us, say thank you for redoing your tunnel, trying to put money in your business back again. We really appreciate that point. That was amazing, and that happened to you and me several times in the last 2 months.
And it's something we talk about a lot, but it really is neat when you have that customer say, hey, thanks for giving me something more,
And something interesting that with all these changes, we increase the prices, and people understand. Yeah, they can see that you guys are reinvesting the money and deliver a better service, better wash quality, and
giving a better wash.
Yeah,
we basically changed the whole cloth on the tunnel.
Nice.
And we don't have any claim about prices since we raised our prices.
That's great. So guys, kind of walk me through what you did here. I know I drove through and I was a part of it, but kind of tell the folks what you did, because it wasn't just signage, it wasn't just lighting. You guys really went all after it.
Right. Well, what exactly was happened, like Ali told you, we have been in the business 5 years, and we start feeling like we have to do something better. We have to get given to the customer something better. One thing we started doing was working on the vacuums. We started adding the booms. Make sure that change is more visual to the customer who is driving the car in the front. That was the first step. Then we go with change all cloth on the tunnel And we finally get to the point to start changing all the signage. We start making all the wind size signage outside, and then go to the tunnel and review with Mr. Former a whole signage inside.
Gotcha. So you really went all cohesive all the way across. I mean, you know, from the entrance, the vacuums, the look, the lights, and then even I noticed on the exit side, from the minute you get on the property to the minute you exit.
So the customer can see the difference from the entrance. Awesome. So new booms, new signage, and new arch, new lights, so they can see the change.
You know me, I'm a lighting guy. Talk to me a little bit about why you went with the Infinity. Tell people what, you know, how it's gone for you so far.
Something that is very, very great about this light is you can switch the lights every day. I mean, every day the experience for the customers is different.
So kind of show me how you change the colors. I know you said you can change it anytime easily, but
it's very easy. You have to scan the QR code on the panel, and then there is an app. And let's say, for example, today is St. Patrick's Day. You want your tunnel all green. So it's very easy to switch the tunnel.
That's cool.
Breast Cancer Day, easy. So you wanted the tunnel pink?
Oh, wow. One of the things that I was excited about is you can constantly change it. You can adapt it. Like even as you add packages, you can segment it off and do different things with it.
Yeah. What I love is, for example, maintenance day. You have to do a repair or whatever. I can turn the tunnel completely white. So it's incredible.
So you've got a maintenance mode. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Cool. You have a great light to work on the tunnel. So
theoretically, when we build you guys your next tunnel, we won't need those lights in the middle. We'll just put up the Infinity lights.
Next step.
Awesome. Well, I'll tell you what, it's been a treat to work with y'all, and we really are excited to be part of your family, and we hope to make you guys a lot of money. And we'll be back here in a couple years. We're going to redo it again.
Yeah,
gentlemen, thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, everybody, I hope you've enjoyed our tour here today at Sunshine State Car Wash. For me, this has been just a real opportunity to show what we can do and create a whole different feel for your customers and really just kind of grow that raving fans top of mind for your customer base. The one thing they did here is they did it all. Remember, you don't have to do it all. Sometimes you can just redo your driveway signage. Sometimes you're gonna redo your arches. But remember, find a way to keep letting your customers know that you're reinvesting in them. They'll always reinvest in you. Once again, thanks everybody for joining us here today. Good luck and good washing.